Today I'm working on a Volkswagen Jetta with a TDI engine. Just making a quick video showing you something. This is making a pretty bad noise. The dealer actually quoted dual mass flywheel failure as the cause of the noise. When I listen to it, I hear the noise more in the front of the engine than the rear. So this is something I've seen on these, and it's very often misdiagnosed and missed. If you look at it down here at the drive belt, you can see that the belt is dancing around and the tensioner is violently moving up and down. To most technicians, you would think that you had a problem with your tensioner, being that it's moving like that. You would think that this is a tensioner problem, the mechanism that actually pivots. Maybe the dampening portion of it is bad or something like that, but that's not the case. So I'll show you what's actually causing this. So the cause of this problem is the clutch in the alternator pulley. It has a one-way clutch in the alternator pulley, and that's designed to isolate, to get rid of a bunch of vibrations that the engine produces. So the clutch is locked up in both directions. The easiest way to tell without pulling the drive belt off and messing with the alternator itself is with the belt on, that pulley is fixed. So you should be able to spin the insides of the alternator one way, not the other. So I just take a pick right here, and you can get it on the fins, and you can, with the belt on the car, you can't rotate it either direction. With an alternator where the pulley is functioning properly, you can rotate it one direction and not the other. So this one is locked up, and that's what's causing the vibration and making that tensioner dance around. The part is available separate. You need a little tool to hold the end of the tensioner. You have to order the tool to hold to remove the pulley off the alternator. But that's it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell a pulley and replace the drive belt, and this one will be good, and that noise will go away. So thanks for watching.